name is Jody and I'm a student from the School of Architecture and the Built Environment, and I entered into SP through EAE.
Hi, I'm Kankit, a lecturer from the School of Architecture and the Built Environment.
Hi, I'm Mia and I'm a student at Media Arts and Design School, and I entered SP through the early admissions exercise.
Hi, I'm Lucas. I'm a lecturer from Media Arts and Design School. There are two stages in our EAE process. In stage 1 is an online assessment. It's a series of questions that will ask you to test your creative and critical thinking skills. It will also be about the specialization that we offer. So if you clear stage 1, you move on to stage 2. In stage 2, we'll invite you for an interview. There will be a panel of interviewers that will ask you, why would you like to join med school?
For my interview, it was 3 lecturers and then 3 students. So you have to take turns to answer the questions that they ask. So like I mentioned earlier, MO research is important because they're definitely going to ask you questions related to why you want to join the course.
No, you don't get to choose, but you can indicate which specialization you would like to pursue, because there will be a question asking you to indicate just that. But even if you choose the specialization, it doesn't mean that you will definitely get into it. So if you eventually join our school via the EAE process, you have to go through a foundation program. After you have completed the first semester and the foundation program, you will then be streamed into your respective specialization. So how do you get into the specialization that you want? It will depend on your choice, your aptitude, your passion, your performance in the foundation program.
For your write-up, it should obviously be all about you. So some things to include are 1. Why you have an interest in this diploma and industry. 2. What career aspirations you have in the future. 3. What you like about the course and why. And lastly, your write-up should generally demonstrate your genuine interest and passion for the applied diploma course. For some diplomas, the fundamentals in specific subjects are definitely important. For example, in the diploma in civil engineering, mathematics and sciences, especially physics, are extremely important.
So you should include your best personal works that showcase your passion. For example, artwork, sketches, writing, design, photo, videos, or even original songs you have composed. You can also include your certificates.
Number 1, your portfolio collection can consist of drawings, doodles, sketches, photos, and even design attempts, to represent your style and your offerings as a future designer. Number 2, your digital portfolio or your soft copy e-portfolio can consist of PDF, website, or even blog formats. Number 3, arrange your portfolio in a thematic manner.
For the Diploma in Integrated Events and Projects Management, you will be required to produce a 30-second video in MP4 format with a voiceover sharing about your experience or exposure in events.
Don't worry, your portfolio does not need to consist of many items. We definitely are looking for quality over quantity. It can just consist of a few items that can showcase the contents of the course that you are interested in and just make sure you represent your style. Majority of our courses have individual interviews, except for the group interviews in the Diploma in Integrated Events and Project Management. For all these interviews, just be in your school uniform or smart casual outfit.
So some of the questions that your interviewers may ask you are 1. Why you chose this diploma. 2. What you know about this diploma, for example, whether you know about Smart FM for the Diploma in Facilities Management. 3. What you know about this industry and the career paths this diploma offers. 4. Any related experiences you've gained from school, competitions, internships, or even workshops. 5. Sharing about a challenging situation that you faced either in school, CCA, or your part-time job, and sharing about how you overcame it. And lastly, sharing about your strengths and weaknesses and using 3 words to describe yourself. It's incredibly important to be yourself at these interviews. Your interviewers want to get to know you, your experiences, and assess your interest, passion, and suitability for the applied diploma course. So there are no right or wrong answers.
I think first of all, knowing what you want to do is very important. So making sure that you're passionate about something and making sure that you're going to enjoy doing what you are going to set up to do. I think it's important to also do your research. So for example, if you want to enter SP via EAE, make sure that you do ample research on the course that you're going to, because it's very important, especially later on when in the interview when they ask you questions related to like, oh, why do you want to join SP and stuff. So it's very important that you know the course that you want and what you want to do in your future lah.
We typically admit up to 50% of our cohort from the EAE.
And with that, we've come to the end of our video. Thank you for watching, and I hope my answers have helped you in your EAE preparation. All the best and see you in SP!